I'm going to show you in just a few easy steps how to change the flapper on your toilet. This is something you can do at home, and we're going to do it right now. Okay guys, first thing that you got to do is turn the water off. So reach down to the angle stop under your toilet and turn the water off. Now one thing you may want to do at that point, as long as you know you're changing your flapper, is reach inside once you turn the water off, mess with your flush valve, see if it's still making noises. Pull your handle up to flush your toilet. You want to get as much of this water out as you can. Now, changing the flapper, the water's going to come all the way down to the bottom of the flush valve, or actually to the top edge of the flush valve, the bottom of the flapper. But get the water out. Once you get it out, unhook your flapper and take it off the toilet handle. Now, this chain, whenever you change this out, this chain is already set at the length that it needs to be. So what I would say is, take your new flapper, line it up, make sure they're the right one. You don't want to just use a universal flapper if you have an ultra high efficiency toilet, because you want to make sure that it's still flushing the same amount as it should. So what you want to do, set your chain while you've got it out here. It makes it a whole lot easier. Now this is a little easier for me because I've got the back side of the toilet open. But what you're going to do is you're going to put it in, clip it in place. Now, some clip in place, some the rubber, you just slide over the little clips, and then some actually have a round piece of rubber that actually slides all the way down to the tube and puts in the correct position. Then what you'll do is you take your hook, put it right back into the handle, and I always tell people, make sure that you leave just a little bit of slack in the chain, because when you flush this, if it's real tight, that flapper may not go all the way and it may not seal, and that's going to cause it to leak through. Once you get it put back together, reach down, turn on your angle stop. This will slowly fill until your fill valve comes up and stops and shuts off. And you want to make sure that it stays below this, because you don't want water just overflowing in this and running all the time. Guys, it really is easy to change a flapper. This is something that you can do yourself at home. Guys, hopefully these videos helped you save some money. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to the channel. Please click on the links, go check out our blogs. You can learn a lot of other things that we're doing. My name's Roger Wakefield, Lead AP, the Expert Plumber.